What is up, everybody? My name is JC, and welcome to another episode of Omega Outdoors, the channel that brings you outdoor adventure. Well, finally, it has happened. I'm finally getting a chance to take the kayak out. I was supposed to go out this morning, but unfortunately, the weather just wasn't cooperating. But it looks like I caught a break. The weather broke. It's sunny. It's not too windy. It's probably a little windier than I would like it to be, but it's still manageable. So we're gonna go ahead and throw the dice, and we're gonna head out there. All right, y'all, let's see what's up. All right, so we are out here in the flats. I hope y'all can hear me because I have this microphone strapped or clipped to the brim of my hat. I didn't have enough cord to get it all the way to my life vest. So the plan got all shot to pieces. I had planned to get some live pinfish, hence this rod right here. I threw the net around. I didn't catch anything, not even small little minnows. So we are gonna do artificial only. So I have a top water, I got a jerkbait, and I have a swim bait, and I also have a jig. And right now we are in, I don't know if you can see that, but about 1.5 feet of water right now. It is real shallow around here. So I'm gonna take this jerkbait and I'm gonna toss it underneath these docks right here, see if I can't catch anything under there, and then we're gonna move along. So what I'm doing is just basically just taking this jerkbait and I'm pitching it under these docks. The current is actually pushing me toward the shoreline, so it's perfect because I'm just drifting right alongside, parallel to the dock, and I don't have to really do too much maneuvering. So I've already got a couple hits on like the pause. I'll jerk it and then pause it for a second. So something's already hit it, so let's see if we can catch something with this thing. There ought to be one right there. I know, I'm in shallow water, I get it. You know, I bought these little floaty things for like my rods, and this is the first time I'm using them. Oh, I don't know what that was. It looks like a mullet. First time I'm using them, and I gotta tell you, I am not a fan. I am not a fan of them. They get in the way, and I keep slapping against the line with it. I hear the slap. I got a treble hook caught in it more than once. I am not a fan of these little floaty things. If anyone knows a different way to do this than having to do this floaty things, I can't think of one, but if anyone knows one, let me know because it's kind of annoying. I was expecting it to be a lot rougher than it was, than it is right now. This morning was just thunderstorms and windy and all this other stuff, so I'm kind of happy it's pretty chill right now. Hot, but it's pretty chill. I'm gonna go ahead and move to these little docks right here and see if I can't get some right there. All right, so right now I'm sitting in about 3.5 feet of water. The water temp really is what worries me because it's 91 degrees right now. It is blazing hot water. Like, getting into this thing wasn't even comfortable. It was just, I know, I'm in shallow water. Uh-oh, I think someone just hit it. Oh. All right. Let's... mullet. Time to switch tactics. I not getting any hits on the jerk bait. So now, because I'm a little bit deeper water, I'm gonna go ahead and put on one of these gulps. I'll go with new penny gulp shrimps. These little 3-inchers, they're pretty good. I'm just gonna take it and just kind of pop it off the bottom a little bit. Get a little pop pop. Oh, something had it. That's a fish. That's a fish. Ah, flounder! Yes, sir. I knew there was something down there. Losing my freaking mind. All right, let's go. 12 inches. I think this one is gonna be close. Real close. Let me... He will keep. Just barely. Just barely. But he's a keeper. That's a fish. That's a fish. Where are we? Oh. Ah, snagged him. It's a little croaker. Snagged it. All right, buddy. You're lucky. So I'm in the kitchen. I just got back off the water not long ago, and it was hot, man. I'm telling you, with the conditions, I didn't expect it to be that hot. The water was almost 92 degrees. It was close to like 94, 95 degrees outside when I got into the water, maybe 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It was ridiculously hot. The fish just weren't cooperating. I caught that one flounder, and that was about it. A lot of the guys that were coming back to the docks came back empty-handed because they had the same thing. Nothing was biting, nothing wanted anything. Most of the fish are probably just out deep. So What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cook this one flounder I got. I'm gonna do like a garlic Parmesan crust kind of thing. It goes really great with this kind of fish. It's really easy to do, so let's get at it. All right, you guys. So here is what we got. We got the flounder. It's already cleaned and everything. These have been chilled for a little bit. I cleaned it and chilled it in the refrigerator, so it's nice and cool. A 1/4 cup panko breadcrumbs, 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan. I got some minced garlic back here, oregano, lemon juice, okay, black pepper, sea salt, and a little bit of olive oil back here. This is really, really simple. It does not take a lot. Season the fish a little bit with your salt and pepper. You can do both sides. I think one side's good, so you can do both sides, but I normally do one. And then you're gonna take pretty much everything else and put it on this plate. So I don't have a lot of fish, so I don't need a lot of breadcrumbs. Normally what I do is I put twice as much Parmesan as I do breadcrumbs, just to kind of even it out. This is oregano, and then because garlic is already kind of wet, I just put a little bit of the lemon juice. You can use lemon zest if you want to just put it straight into the mixture. Put a little lemon juice with the garlic, and then all that stuff goes right in there. Give it a nice little mix, and I think Parmesan cheese smells like feet, but it tastes good. It does kind of smell like a foot. This is the bottom piece. For some reason, the bottom piece is always smaller. So this is the bottom half of the flounder piece. And then just coat it. I'm gonna set it aside because I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with it in a minute. Coat it down. Here's the bigger piece. I really like how flounder looks. All right, so here's the kicker. The pan. Now I have a flat metal pan, and what I did was I oiled the bottom of it with olive oil. So I'm gonna take this flounder, put it right on there. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of extra coating on it. Let it sit. And then you take a little bit of olive oil, I got some in a cup, and just kind of dabble it on there for some moisture, some taste. And that is it. So this is gonna go in the oven at 425 degrees for about 20 minutes. All right, so this is what we got right here. I didn't leave them in a full 20 minutes because these are smaller pieces of flounder. So, and when they got that little golden brown color, I took them out. But this was more like 15 minutes. But this is what you want, kind of like a nice, even golden brown. And don't make fun of my flour plate either, okay? It's my wife's plate, she likes these things. But this is what you want. All right, I can't take it anymore. I want to take a piece, so look at that. Oh, that's so good right there. You know what? I'm gonna let someone else try this. I can hear him. Hey, tell me what you think of that. You could have used a fork, heathen. Yeah, it's hot. I was trying to tell you it was hot.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah? Is it good? It's tasty. I just told you it was hot. All right. Thieves, get out of here. All right, guys, that's all I got. Thanks for coming to hang out with me. I appreciate it. If you haven't done so yet, go ahead and subscribe down below. Like this video and leave a comment. Let me know if you try the recipe. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you have a different way to cook flounder. And the next time we go out, we'll try it again. So that's all I got. Appreciate it. We'll see you guys later. Peace.